Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now, this is topic ordering to write the numbers in order in O levels. So, how to consider numbers given in different forms and to decide what should be the order. And usually they are asked to write from the smallest number to the largest, and most of the times there are four numbers which you have to write in order. So let's see how to write them in order. So this is the first question. Right away we started. These are topical past papers. These are questions from past papers. So this value, first of all, we change their form to make them in the similar way. 9 square is 81, square root of 196 is 14, and cube root is 5. So once we write them as integers, then we come to know that this is the smallest number, and larger than that is 14, then 64, and then 81. That's what you have to do. Now the next one, write down the values in order starting from the smallest. Here you can see that this number is 7 over 200. 200 is the largest denominator, so we will try to change all the other denominators to 200. Now 4% means 4 over 100, 3 over 50, 50, and this is 3 over 100, 0.03, and 1 over 20. Now let's make denominator of each of them as 200. Then it will become easier to understand what number is the largest. Now this is already 200. Now 100 is doubled here, so this value will be doubled. This is 4 times, then this value will also be 4 times. This is doubled. This is 10 times. Okay, now you can decide. I think this is the smallest. 6, and then 7, 8, 10, and 12. Oh, sorry. We won't write these numbers, but their original numbers. These numbers were just to decide about. We have to decide by writing them, but the actual value we have to write here, not these numbers themselves, but the numbers which are given in the questions. So 6 over 200, this is the equivalent value of 0.03. So this is the smallest. Then 7 over 200, that value is as it is. Then 8 over 200, that is 4%. We will write 4% here, not 8 over 200. Then after 8, this is 10. That will be 1 over 20. And then 12 over 200, that is 3 over 50. So the 3 over 50 is the largest value among all these 5. Okay, arrange these fractions in order starting from the smallest. Once again, if you look at them, we have to take their LCM. So what should be the LCM of all these numbers? First of all, 5. Is any number multiple of 5 in this list? So this is, all of them are multiples of 5. So we won't include 5 in the process of finding LCM. Multiple of 10 is also there, so leave 10 as well. Multiple of 20 is not there, we will consider 20 while finding LCM. Multiple of 25 is 50, so leave this as well. So these are two numbers whose LCM we have to find. Then this is very simple and very easy to find the LCM. If you read out 50 times table, and the first number which is in this table is also divisible by 20. So 52 is 100 is divisible by 20. So 100 is the LCM. Write 100 for each of these. There are 5 values. So 5 times. Write it. Then change 4 over 5 to equivalent fraction. That will become 80. This will be 90 over 100. This is 5 times 85. 25 4 times is 100. So 21 4 times is 84. Now this is 2 times, so that will be 82. Now the smallest among these is 80. This is number 1, smallest, then 82, then 84, 85, and the largest is this one. So we won't write this value, but actual value which is given in the question. So the smallest one we will write here as 4 over 5. Then second is this one. So there we will write equivalent value of it which is given in the question. So that will be 21 over 25. Third value, sorry, this is not this one. Actually, this is the second value, 41 over 50. So we write here 41 over 50. Then third value, 21 over 25. Fourth value is this. And the largest one is 9 over 10. That's it. Okay, once again, same type of question, but way of writing is different. So we change them. First of all, some of them are in fraction and some others are in decimals. So change in the same form. It is better to change them to fraction. This is 64 over 100 and 5 over 8. Once again, taking their LCM, so that will be 20. Multiple of 20 is 100. Multiple of 10 is 100. Now, that means we should find the LCM of 12, 8 and 100. What is the LCM of 12 and 8? That is 24. Now the LCM of 24 and 100, their HCF common factor is 4. Dividing by 4, so 600 will be their LCM. 600 for every value, 600. So 600 divided by 20, that will be 30. So this will be 390. Now divided by 10, 60, 7, 6 are 56. Divided by 12, 50, 7 5s are 35 with 0. 106. So 64 multiplied by 6. 6 4s are 24. 36 plus 2, 38. 384. And dividing by 8, 75. 75 5s are 237. 375. 375. Okay, now we'll compare numerators only because denominators are same. So the smallest numerator among all these is this one. This is number 1. Then larger than 350 is 375. Then larger than 375 is this value. this is number 3, and this is number 4, and this is last one, number 5. So the first value, that is this one, which is equivalent to 7 over 12. 7 over 12 is the smallest, then 5 over 8. And then third place, that is 0.64. Then fourth place is this one, 13 over 20. 13 over 20. And the largest one is 0.7. So this is the way, this is a technique you can apply in all such questions, that make their denominators same, then decide about their numerators. Okay, the next one, write these lengths in order of size. Okay, this is 5 centimeter, this is 50 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So dividing by 10, this is 50 centimeter. These two are in meters and kilometers, so at least for these two values, this is the smallest. 5 centimeter is the shortest, then 500 millimeters, 5 centimeter, and then 500 meter and 50 kilometers, that means 50,000 meters. So 500 meter is larger than that, 500 meter, and then 50 kilometers. Since they have different units, so we have to write their units along with them as well. Okay, now convert this value to square millimeters. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. 1 centimeter, 10 millimeter. So 1 square centimeter equal to 10 square millimeter. So 10 square means 100. Then if this is the number of square centimeters, that will be multiplied by 10 square, that is 100. 4160. This will be the value, 4160. Okay, next, find the value of under root 21. I think that's very simple. It is 11. Cube root of 27 is 3. This negative sign will remain there because power is not an even number. Write down the following numbers in order. So this is 8, 9, 1, 1 over 5. This is smallest one, 5 power minus 1. 1 over 5 is the smallest, then 1. 4 power 0, then 8, that means 2 cube, and then 3 square, that's it. 16 power 3 over 2. 16 power 3 over 2. We change this 16 into a power so that can be cancelled with this denominator, that will become 64. Okay, now once again, this is 9 over 20, this is 39 over 100, this is 46 over 100, and this is 2 over 5. Changing all of them to 100, because 100 is the LCM that can be divided by every one of these denominators. 5 times 45. This will be written as it is, dividing by 5, 20, 22s are 40. Now which one is the smallest? This one, number 1. Then this is number 2, 3, and this is 4. This time there are 4 values. So the smallest one is 0.39. 0.39. Second, 2 over 5. Third, 9 over 20. And fourth is 46%. So this is the way you can solve them. Now add 620 grams to 3.7 kilograms. So we cannot add until they have same unit. So let's answer is asked in kilograms. So 3.7 kilogram and 620 grams means divided by 100, 0.62 kilograms. So this will be 0.62. 2, 7, 13, 1, 4.32, 4.32 kilograms. Write down the following number in order. So this is 3, this is 1 over 3, this is minus 1, and this is 1. 3 power 0 is 1, this is minus 1. So the smallest one, definitely that is negative number. Then 1 upon 3, 1 is larger than 1 upon 3, and then it is 3. Okay, once again, we should write the values which are given in the question. So the smallest minus 1, we will write here that this number is smallest, number 1. Number 2, 1 upon 3, we will write as it is given in the question. So third one is 3 power 0, and the fourth one is 3 power 1. Okay. Here, write the following in order of size, starting from the smallest. This is, if we write them, I should write it here. This is 66 over 100, or we can say that 660 over 1000. 0.6 means 6 over 10, 600 over 1000. We will make same denominator 1000. Then this is 67 over 100, 670 over 1000, and this is 666 over 1000. Now the denominator is same, so let's decide which one is the smallest. This is the smallest. Then larger than this is this value, then this one, and this is the largest. So second value 0.6. This is 0.6 recurring, I think. If it is 0.6 recurring, then it will be we should write it differently then if it is recurring. So that is 0.66666 this way if it is recurring. I'm not sure here I can see a dot on it, so I have considered it as recurring. So I can write it 666.6 over 1000. This is 66. This is 666.6. So this is larger than this now. So this should be smaller than that. So it will be, this is now number 1. This is second. This will be third. And this is fourth. Number 1 is the first value, 66 over 100. Then 666 over 1000. Then this recurring one, 0.6 recurring, and 0.67. Okay, G. Now the next one, find the distance. Actually, these are mainly the questions about ordering, but in some of the questions, the other part is something else. So obviously, in past papers, you can expect more than one topics there. So this is distance of Saturn from Sun is this many million kilometers. Express this in standard form. 1507 million. This 10 power 6 is actually million. Now this is not standard form because it has to be one decimal place here, one digit before decimal on this side. So 10 power, we have moved three places decimal to that side, so this will be 9. 1.507 into 10 to the power 9. It is asked only to express this value. It is not asked to write the unit or anything. Okay, now these questions, there are a few more questions. I hope now you should be able to do them. So this is um, one question from ordering, and the other part is something else. This is the other question. You can, if you are interested, you can pause the equation video and you can solve these questions. This is another one in terms of time. Okay, that's it. These three questions I leave for you. Okay. Now we have covered this topic of ordering from the topical past papers. When you do questions from past paper, you develop your more confidence that obviously in the paper you can expect similar type of questions over there. So if you are able to do these questions, then it will be easier for you to attempt questions in the upcoming papers. So wish you all the best. Allah Hafiz.